That.
All right,
Jesus.
guys.
EDC is
Everyday carry.
okay.
All right, this is our friend Ashton. Zanko 911.
You're taking a video.
All right, you don't want that?
I don't care, dude.
All right,
The
Zanko.
first time you actually show your face isn't on your videos. It's on the others.
All right.
I took a picture. I took a picture on my Instagram and I posted it up, and everybody was just like, everybody kept asking me. I posted it on Instagram, and everybody didn't say anything. They're like, oh, that's probably not him.
All right, Ashton, you go first. What do you have?
This. It is Damascus chive, I think it is.
Oh my god!
Scallion. It's a scallion with black aluminum anodized handles and Damascus.
Might as well put that in there.
What is that?
Scavenger hunt, fine 50, done.
Right. What else do you have, Ashton?
And then this one, a custom from Maurizio.
Oh, I hate that guy.
He made this. He kind of shaped it and everything. He designed it. I just put the handles and switched it.
Maurizio copies off my work.
It's all of his knives you see him actually custom do are all from me. You just steal them.
Yeah.
He takes them out of my garage. Look what I made.
I still don't have any physical evidence to actually show that he does do it, but
You guys wonder why this guy's not in too many custom videos.
Alright. Go.
Me?
Yeah.
Benchmade 740.
I love this thing.
No,
So
you don't.
awesome. I do. Keys. Why do you have a key to my house, man?
Why not?
I don't remember giving you one.
I'm your boogeyman.
What is this? Streamlight?
I was gonna give that to you. I don't even know. You want it? It's not even that
Sure. What is it? Oh, Streamlight.
Stylus, bro.
Ooh.
Ooh, it works. Imagine that.
Does it have modes? Or is it just on?
I think it's just on and off.
It's just on and off.
That's
$20. It doesn't have modes.
He's got a custom Bic lighter. For his
made by Maurizio.
not.
He wishes.
With butterflies on it.
Dude, it's turquoise. I like this. He's got a custom lighter. Wait, there's butter. You didn't notice that, did you?
No. Emerson D waved. His pink phone.
Those are like, it tells you what mood you're in. I'm about right here. Right
I have
now.
more of that, Emerson.
God, you're gonna scratch up my case, man.
Alright.
See? Pink is good.
Me, my new, I was about to call it that scallion.
New Rick Hinderer, Mel Pardew.
Bone collector Mel Party. This is a reptilian. Yep. It's a scallion.
Are you sure about that?
Okay, no, it's a leak. It's a ripple. Awesome. I got it from Zanko. Sweet.
When
I
did
had
you-
one for.
Hey,
Or I
when
had
did you
one
get
of
that
his
from
before.
me?
I stole it from him. He doesn't know it, but I have keys to his house too.
Even though he's never
else?
been there.
Let's see. I got
Tissue.
a napkin. I've got. Alright. Hold it together.
All of his knives are in his crotch.
Kind of.
Alright, take it out. Is it warm? Don't take your belt off! Stop! Stop taking your pants off!
We're not like that.
Oh, it's warm.
So I had this on my belt.
I made that one.
Yeah.
In
Hold it.
Jesus, it's gonna be like a creepy porno.
Oh my god.
Taking up
Ashton.
Oh, dude, the leather on this smells great. Oh wait, this was on your belt. Oh.
This cousin knife. I carried this today. It's
Oh,
pretty
you
awesome.
carried it today?
Yeah, I carry it more often than my neck knife. It's awesome.
Except it's in your crotch, not your neck.
It's not my crotch. It's on my belt. And my Sage 1. So
that was this one's crotch.
yeah, I put it on my belt. I mean on my Zanko, I told you not. Bring those. We're not like that.
Forgive me while I grab a couple more.
That's too.
Dude, if bottle caps were worth something, we would be a million. We would be millionaires. I'm gonna burn your napkin right now.
Oh no. Oh, lace stacks. And there's tea. There's Red Bull. There's Gatorade.
Look, guys, I'm a wilderness explorer.
I'm Bear Grylls.
I drink my own
When the
pee for
camera's
fun.
not pointed at me, I pull out my pick.
Oh god. Oh god.
Dude, I like this park.
Oh, you slut.
Hey, I'm gonna have to beat that out.
I did it already.
Oh shit. Alright. Oh man. You wanna be in the video?
No. Yeah, he does.
Red.
He's Australian.
Tomato red right now. Oh man.
It's okay, you'll get the courage one day. He didn't even use his chi that time. I like how gravity knives are illegal in San Francisco. Can't do it. Won't do. Oh, you.
Oh.
I just tightened that.
Maybe that with all the knives.
Oh my goodness. He's using his chi.
Yeah. I can't do it with this one though, because I'll try.
Ooh, somebody's struggling.
Use a flipper too. Look, I can do it.
Oh. Is it bad that on my scaling you can't even use the flipper to flip it out?
Oh.
Because the assist broke and it doesn't have a D10, so it's just like. Let's give it some anodizing.
Oh no. There we go.
I bet you if I light this lighter and throw it on the ground, we'll get high.
That's how bad it is. Look at all that.
You got ones for 89 cents, 60 cents. Ooh, look, $1.25.
Damn, they're rich people.
And this is the not very commonly used bench. The good one's up there.
Those people went deeper in the woods.
Oh no. Friday the 13th down there. Ah, you're insane. He's getting a little stabby. Zanko's like preparing his.
He found he got control of his chi. Now he can't stop.
He went Super Saiyan. You making a tent there?
You're small enough to sleep in.
Oh, we gotta show Mars. The
Walking sticks?
yeah. Alright guys. Let's catch you later.
No, you won't.
Zanko's gonna kill us all.
We won't be here tomorrow.
Alright. Goodbye guys.
You probably won't see this video.
Tell my family I love them. At least I won't have to take out the trash anymore.